Good evening and welcome back to the Weather Centre. A cut-off low-pressure system affected the eastern parts of South Africa adversely over the past 2 days. The cut-off low is now starting to move away from the coastline, and with that we're seeing cloud clearance over the Eastern Cape already, but the rainfall intensities have also started to subside over the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, and complete clearance is expected overnight tonight. But considering the rainfall amounts that occurred over the past 12 hours, there's still a warning for localized flooding and heavy rainfall over the southern and central parts of the coastline and the adjacent interior. Our synoptic analysis shows the low pressure system moving away from the KZN coastline quite rapidly. With that, complete clearance is expected before midnight tonight. It will be a calm, cloud-free night over the interior, and we're expecting low temperatures overnight with minimums dropping close to 0 degrees, especially in the Karoo. Meanwhile, another weak front approaches from the west, and onshore circulation will bring cooler weather to the southwestern Cape tomorrow, and rain is likely tomorrow overnight. This is our rain forecast for the rest of today. Showers and thunder showers starting to ease off during the next few hours, clearing completely overnight, and we're expecting a dry forecast for South Africa tomorrow. As far as winds are concerned, it's still very windy along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline and the adjacent interior, and winds will be strong initially tomorrow morning as well, but as the low moves away from the coast, winds start to moderate. Over the interior, light winds in the forecast, but ahead of the approaching cold front, west to southwesterlies become fresh during the course of the afternoon in the Karoo. Morning temperatures drop to 0 degrees in Sutherland tomorrow, 4 in the R. Bloemfontein dropping to a low of 4 as well. 10 degrees for East London, but single-digit minimums in PE and George. Cape Town dropping to a low of 12. It will be cool at first in Durban as well, with a minimum of 13 degrees and a low of 5 expected in Johannesburg. Daytime temperatures recover to the mid-20s over much of the interior, but the highs remain in the lower 20s for KZN, 22 degrees for Pietermaritzburg and Durban, 23 expected in Port Elizabeth, Cape Town with a maximum of 22 and 31 likely in Upington. For Thursday, isolated thunderstorms become likely over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, with light rain along the southern and eastern coastal areas. And by Friday, we're expecting isolated thunderstorms on the Highveld, with light rain spreading to the Lowveld. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your evening.